our cheese. You're right.
Don't need it.
I know, that's why it's all washed. Sarah, that isn't real cheese. It's for our puppet. Let's feed him. Oh, let's give it to the puppet.
She's like, but it's cheese.
I know.
It's cheese. You want me to share
Let's
it?
feed him. Sarah. Is he going to eat your hand? Let's see. I have more cheese. Can we give our puppet the cheese? Nice job. As it goes to your mouth, but usually not that fast.
It is dinner
Feed
time
our
for
puppet.
her.
Can we feed him? Is he gonna get you? Which will
have to bring
smile.
my puppet back.
Yeah, she likes. I mean,
She can't make eye contact with it. But
she will
likes
not
it.
look at it, but she likes it. Let's do one more, Sarah. Let's
puppet
get
needs
him some
clothes, some purple
cheese.
clothes or something.
Good work. Nice choices. We'll feed our puppet. Let's feed him. Yeah, she will not look at him. It's hilarious. Yum, 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 yum. Good work. We fed him. Our puppet's going to be all done. So I have one other question for Mom. So she's been getting OT